When people think of Frankfort, Michigan, they probably think of the summer resort town it is today. Thousands of tourists visit each year to take in the small-town sights on the shore of Lake Michigan. However, just across the Betsie Bay sits a particularly historic piece of land. For 90 years, a railroad yard in Alberta, known as Boat Landing, was the northern terminus of the Ann Arbor Railroad. The Annie went through many ownership changes throughout its life, but in 1964, under the Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton, it gained perhaps its best-known image, orange GP35s with bold black lettering. Trains from Toledo would travel northwest across the state before meandering across the causeway over Betsie Lake and through the town of Alberta before arriving at Boat Landing. From here, as the name suggests, car ferries would take freight cars across Lake Michigan to ports in Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula. Interestingly, although Frankfort was across the bay, trains were symboled with an origin or destination of Frankfort, and the car ferries listed the neighboring town as their hailing port. In 1982, the Annie's luck ran out. Less congestion in Chicago yards and money disputes with the state were two big factors, and the car ferry network shut down. With their primary source of income as a bridge route gone, the railroad was in a freefall. In time, the line from Boat Landing south to the town of Yuma was torn up, and the railroad split into two companies. However, over the years, both the new Ann Arbor Railroad and the Great Lakes Central have breathed new life into the line. While they may not be heading across the lake, it's still possible to see long freights along the old Ann Arbor Railroad. And while there are no car ferries sailing between the breakwaters, Frankfort remains a beautiful town on the shore of Lake Michigan, with a rich railroad history just across the bay.